Alright, let's get real about Aquoxis pressure washers. If you've seen their ads promising military-grade cleaning or insane PSI numbers, you're probably wondering, does this thing actually work, or is it just clever marketing? Here's what I found. First, Aquoxis has a super low Trustpilot rating, like 75% of reviews are 1 star. Ouch. Most people say it's barely better than a regular garden hose, which is not what you want if you're trying to blast grime off your driveway or patio. Those jet-style nozzles? Yeah, they might look cool in ads, but in real life, the power just isn't there. The biggest red flags? Misleading specs, almost impossible returns, and customer service that basically doesn't exist. If you actually need to return the thing, get ready for expensive shipping or just no response at all. That money-back guarantee feels more like a marketing trick than a real promise. So, is Aquoxis a total scam? Not quite. They'll usually send you something, but with all the warning signs, it's just not worth the risk. Here's what I recommend if you actually want a pressure washer that works. Go for a brand with a real warranty and customer support. For home use, look for models between 1300 and 2800 psi. Sunjo, Ryobi, Greenworks. These are brands you can trust, with tons of positive reviews and easy returns if you need them. Bottom line, don't get fooled by hype. Spend your money on something that'll actually get the job done.